Today I'm going to show you how to create a completely free modded Minecraft server using Tick hosting so you and your friends can play together without paying for hosting. We're going to use Fabric, which is lightweight, fast, and perfect for simple modded setups. In this video, we're going to create the server, install Fabric, add mods correctly on both the server and client side, and make sure everything connects without any errors. I'll also point out the most common mistakes so you don't get stuck with any mod mismatch issues. So let's get into it. So to get started, we're going to head over to Tick hosting and click Create Free Server. And then you're going to click Start. Choose your edition. Most PC players use Java edition, so just select that. Next, choose your server location. Pick the location closest to you and your friends for better performance and lower ping. Now, choose your server type. Just select Fabric. Fabric is the mod loader your server will run on, and then just click Next. Now, choose your Minecraft version. This step is important. The version you choose here must match the version your mod supports. For example, if your mods are on 1.20.1 and you pick 1.20.4, it will not work. So make sure that lines up and then click Next. Here, you want to select the Ultra Free plan. You'll occasionally watch ads to keep the server active, but it works perfectly for playing with friends. This one also just gives a little bit extra room for adding some more mods. Then you're going to click Create Free Server. It takes a little bit to load, but once it finally does, you'll see your server dashboard. But before we do anything here, we're going to install our first mod. To do that, we're going to head over to the Mods tab on that left-hand bar. Once we get over here, we're going to search for Zero's Minimap. Zero's Minimap is a really quick mod we can install that gives us a visual check to make sure everything works. Now when installing this, remember that we talked about that version. This is where that comes into play. Make sure that the version lines up with what you created for the server, and also right beside it you can see that it says Fabric. Make sure you select the Fabric one and not the Forge option. And then you're just going to click Install. And now after installing, we're going to head back over to the files. And then you're going to click that little blue mods folders. In that folder, you should see the zero.jar file. That confirms that the mod was successfully installed on the server. Now, most Fabric mods require Fabric API. You can think of Fabric API as a dependency. Other mods rely on it to function. We're going to install this manually so you know how to upload custom mods later. To do this, we're going to head over to Modrith and download Fabric API. But before downloading, please double check that the Minecraft version matches your server and that it supports Fabric, not Forge. And now, once you've done that, we're going to head back over to Tick hosting, go over to that left-hand bar, click Files, and then that blue mods folder again. And in here, we're going to click Upload. This is where we're going to upload the Fabric API.jar file. Now, your server's mod folder should contain Zero's Minimap and Fabric API. If both are there, we are good to move on to the next step. Now we can go back to the main panel and click Start Server. Watch the ad, the server will boot up, and if it says sleeping, that is completely normal. Free servers go to sleep when no one is online. It'll wake up when someone joins. Now once it shows running, your modded server is live. Now we need to configure your computer to match it. But before installing Fabric, open the Minecraft launcher. Select the exact Minecraft version your server is using, and then click Play. Once you reach the main menu, go ahead and close the game. This creates the correct game folders on your PC. Before installing Fabric, ensure that Minecraft is fully closed, close the game, the launcher, and make sure it is not running in the background. Installing while it's open can cause issues. Now you can download the Fabric installer, run it, ensure the Minecraft version matches your server, and the client is selected, and then just click Install. You need the Fabric installer because it creates a Fabric profile inside your Minecraft launcher. When you run it, make sure Client is selected. Now once that is installed, you can open the Minecraft launcher, select the new Fabric profile on that little left-hand drop-down menu, and then click Play. Again, once you reach the main menu, just go ahead and close the game. This is important because it creates your mods folder. Now that that's set up, we also have to set up the same mods on your computer, which is the client side. To do this, we're going to go back to Modrith and download Zero's Minimap. Make sure, again, that the Minecraft version matches and that it supports Fabric, because again, there's multiple versions for mods, so you don't want to click Forge or anything else, you want to click the Fabric option. Fabric API supports client and server, which means we have to install it both on the server and your PC. So this is the step where we're going to put it onto your PC, aka the client side. So now to do this, we're going to press Window keys plus R, type in %appdata%, press enter. Then open .minecraft, open mods. If the folder happens to not exist, just create one named mods, and then click and drag Xera's Minimap and Fabric API into that folder. Once both are inside the mods folder, your client is set up correctly. Now we can confirm that everything works. So we're going to open the Minecraft launcher again, make sure you select the Fabric profile from the little dropdown, and then click play. If you see the mods button on the main menu, Fabric is working, but don't worry if it's not there, sometimes it doesn't show up, that's okay. Now to join your server, you're going to want to click multiplayer. Click add server, paste your server IP from Tick Hosting, and then click done. Now you can click join. If it says fail to connect, make sure your server is running, go back to Tick Hosting and click the server page to wake it up. Now once you load in, you're done. And that's it. You now have a completely free modded Minecraft server. To invite friends, send them that server IP address, the Minecraft version, and the mod list. They must install Fabric, the same mods, and the same version, so it's easiest just to send them links to everything, because otherwise it will not connect. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload custom mods manually, which is how you install things like shared health, if you've happened to see Ludwig's run with that. I also did a run with that if you want to check it out. Hardcore challenge mods, and custom gameplay mechanics. And I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot mod mismatch errors quickly. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and if you want more Minecraft mod tutorials or challenge setups, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you guys next time.